Morning world, how everyone is doing. You mustn't let fear or anything keep you away to click on my website that will give you access to my blueprint. But fear mustn't keep you away, because when you click on my blueprint, it's financial freedom. I have many products that can keep you financial free, financial stress free. So it will help you a lot, but it will take time to give you success in life. So don't forget to click on my website through my socials, to click on my blueprint. That will give you access. Enjoy your day. Don't let fear stop you. Bye.